Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use GIFs in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using GIFs in Adobe Express can add dynamic and engaging elements to your design. Once you are logged into your account, if you want to use GIFs in Adobe Express, it's very easy. Now, we have a separate video on how to add GIFs in Adobe Express. All you're going to do is go to the More Ways to Start and click the View All section. Go to the Quick Actions tab, and here there's going to be an option that says Convert to GIF. Now, we have a separate video for that. You might want to check in our channel. I'm not going to do that. Instead, if you have successfully converted GIF here, all I'm going to do now is go to the design that you're working. Now, I'm working with this specific design. All right. And if you want to add GIFs here, it's very easy. In my case, I'm going to the upload button. I'm going to select the GIF that I have created. Like this one right here. All right. So this is going to be the GIF. And you can add it to your overall design. Another option that you can explore with the GIFs is going to be going to one of the popular GIF website called Jiffy. All right. Now here in Jiffy, you can browse thousands of amazing GIFs. For example, I'm going to be using this one. You see that there is a link option. Copy that link, copy to clipboard, and go to your canvas. I'm going to select the text right here. You see there is a link option, right? Click this link right here and add the GIF. You see that? And click on check. All right. Now, this is part of a linked section going to that GIF. So these are going to be some of your options in using GIFs. Basically, you would notice that GIFs are eye-catching like this one, and can instantly grab the viewer's attention. Their movement makes them stand out in a sea of static content, which is particularly used for social media posts, advertisements, or banners. GIFs can illustrate a process. I'm going to make it like bigger, slow in quality, but of course it shows a product in action or convey an emotion. This is especially effective for like tutorials like what we do, how-to graphics, or promotional content. Once you place the element of GIF inside your design, you might want to go to the upper right corner where you can see the download option. You might want to click the MP4. And if you want to share this amazing design that you have created using GIFs, you might want to copy that link, send it to your client or to your boss or to the team members that you are working. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.